What do we got here? What's this?
Duck.
Duck? What's this?
Fish.
What's this?
Flower.
Flower? What's this one?
Doll.
Is that the car? That's right. What's this?
Bike.
Bike? What's this?
Fish.
Fish? What's this?
Fish.
Shoes? What's this?
Fish.
That's a ball. Ball. Yeah, there you go. Ball.
Doll.
Car. That's another car. Yep. That's a good job, love. What's this? What's this?
Bear.
Bear. That's a good girl. What's the baby reading? What's the baby have? What's this?
Book.
Book. Yeah. Keep going. Okay, loves. What do we have? What? Baby, go night night. I know. Yeah. What's this?
Baby. Book.
Spoon. Good.
Baby.
Baby. What's this?
Book. Dish.
Keys. Good. What's this?
Bubble.
Hello. You say hello on the phone? Hello.
Yes. Roll.
Frog. What does he say?
Fish.
Ribbit. Good. What's this one?
Bye-bye.
Butterfly. Very good.
I.
That's a tree.
D.
What's this?
Bubble.
Flower. Very good. Very good.
Hat.
Hat. Baby has a hat there. Yep, that's right.
Duck. Duck.
Oh, that is a dog up there. Yes. What's the dog say? Woof. What's the cat say? Yeah, yes you do know. What does he say? What's a bunny rabbit do?
Hop.
Hop. Yes, he does. What's a doggy say? What's a cat say? What's a kitty cat say? Why are you not... There you go. Good girl. Yes.
Doing.
Shoes. Good girl. What is this?
Bubble.
Flower. What's this one? Okay, I'll pick it up for you. I'll pick it up.
Pick it up.
Pick it up.
Pick it up. Pick
What's
it
this
up.
one? What's this?
Ball.
That's a ball. Yep. What's over here?
Fish.
Fish.